Hello everyone. I hope you are in best of your spirits. So I am back with a very important topic of Atlantic ocean currents. There are lots of ocean currents and normally we get confused between warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents and which ocean current belongs to which ocean. Okay. So today we will be looking at the ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean and then slowly we'll be moving to others also, Pacific, Indian, etc. in other videos, upcoming videos. Okay. So starting with Atlantic Ocean currents today, I am Purti Garg, a national memory champion, and I have also been felicitated at several places. You can know more about me over here. Now, before starting, I would like to tell you one thing. Please, you can follow me on Telegram as well at Sampurti Memory Booster, the same channel, the one given in the YouTube also. So you can follow me there. I'm posting some questions, some practice questions, etc. You can ask me your doubts, etc. over there. And please like, share, and subscribe the channel. If you are loving the videos, if you are finding them helpful, please share with your friends. So let's begin. Now, here we are seeing North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, this whole is North Atlantic Ocean. So first we will be learning the warm ocean currents, the warm currents of North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so Atlantic, my code for Atlantic is romantic because first we need to make a code for the ocean we are learning so that we do not get confused. Okay, and we'll be following the same theme, that is the science of visualization. Atlantic Ocean or warm currents like Antilles current, Florida current, we cannot see them. But if I turn them into something that we can see, so it gets very easy to learn. Like we do not forget movies because we can see them. Similarly, I'll try to change these things that we cannot see into the ones that we can see. So starting with the first one, North Equatorial Current and South Equatorial Current. See, these are obvious because equatorial current, equator is 0 degrees over here and it is very hot. So North Equatorial Current and South Equatorial Current, these both will have to be warm ones. So these are very obvious ones, that equatorial current, north as well as south, will be warm currents. Coming to Antilles current. Now from here we need to learn them. Okay. So my code for Antilles is ant. You all can see over here in the image. This is the ant, you can see ant. So Antilles current, my code is ant. Florida, Florida flowers. So flower you can see over here. Florida, my code for Florida is flowers or flower. Then Gulf Stream. For Gulf, my code is golf. You can see a very beautiful golf course over here. Golf. So Gulf Stream, my code is golf. North Atlantic Drift. Atlantic again, romantic is my code. Minger. Minger, or I can say mingle, to mix up with someone. So mingle will be my code. And Norwegian current, so my code can be Norway. A very beautiful place, Norway. Okay, now let's try to learn the currents. So I make a story. I made a story that Atlantic means romantic. So this ant is a spy. Okay, she loves listening to the romantic stories of different couples. So she was sitting on a flower very quietly. She sat on a flower, or she was sitting on a flower, and this flower is in this golf stadium. Okay, this is the golf course, and this plant is planted over here somewhere, or over here you can see. And this ant is sitting on this flower very quietly and listening to the stories of this romantic couple. This couple is also in the golf stadium. As you can see, I have placed this in the golf course itself. So, ant, as you can see from here, Antilles current. So, this ant is sitting on a flower in the golf stadium and is listening to the romantic stories of this couple. This couple was mingling together, like you can see they are dancing together. So they were mingling together and planning to go on a holiday to Norway. So now you will never forget this story. This ant is a spy. It is sitting on a flower. So Antilles, then Florida. So you will never forget the order also. As you can see, Antilles current. So ant is sitting on a flower in the golf stadium and listening to the stories of a romantic couple. This couple was mingling together. This couple was mingling together and planning to go on a holiday to Norway. So Norwegian current. So this is the story of these warm currents of Atlantic Ocean. So in a chain you can learn them. Now you will never get confused. Okay. Coming to cold currents. Starting with cold currents, Labrador current. So you can see this very cute Labrador puppy. So Labrador current, East Greenland current. So Greenland means Greenland. land which is green in color, a garden I can see, green land. So I can see over here this dog, this Labrador is sitting on the green land. And canary is current. Canary, I can make my code as can, beer can. So since it is very hot, many places are facing heat waves, they are suffering from heat waves. So this Labrador puppy, it is sitting on the green land and longing to have a beer can to chill himself up. So he is having his eye on this beer can. So whenever you will listen to this cold current in Atlantic Ocean, you can see the image also over here. Or wait, let's see here itself. Labrador current, you can see this Labrador puppy, Labrador current, this is a cold one. Then Labrador current is sitting on the Greenland, so East Greenland current, this is again a cold one. And finally, Canary current, you can see this Canary current over here, can. So he is longing for a beer can. So all these three are the cold currents of Atlantic Ocean. So we are done with North Atlantic Ocean, coming to South Atlantic Ocean now. So South Atlantic Ocean has only 4 main currents. One of them is the warm current and the 3 are cold currents. So you can see in the picture this Brazilian current. Why? Because you can see Brazil over here. So Brazilian current, this is a warm one. As you can see, it is coming from north to south. So this is a hotter one. Since it is coming from equator, it is a hotter one. So Brazilian current is a warm current. And this Benguela, you can see this Benguela current, it is a colder one. Then Antarctic circumpolar current, and finally Falkland current over here. It's not mentioned in the map, but I have mentioned it here, Falkland current. So now how to learn them? You can remember it like this, like you have gone in a party and you are dancing to the song or on the tunes of Brazil. There was a song, no? Brazil, la 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 la. So Brazilian current, Brazil. So you are in a party and you can see everyone is dancing on Brazil song. Then in the party, you had veg dishes as well as non-veg dishes. So in the veg dish, you had bangan, benguela, brinjal, bangan. Brinjal is known as bangan in Hindi. So benguela, bangan. So bangan की सब्जी थी आपकी vegetarian dish में. And Falkland. So my code is falcon. Falcon. So this falcon is served in non-veg dish. So meat of falcon is there in the non-vegetarian dishes. And Antarctica, since Antarctica is a cold continent, it is in the southernmost part. So it is naturally, Antarctica circumpolar current will be a cold one. So Brazilian current, since it is coming from north to south, it is a warmer one. Benguela is a colder one because while dancing in the Brazil party, you were served 2 things. One was vegetarian dish, one was non-vegetarian. So Benguela and Falkland, falcon meat. So Falkland. So these 2 are cold currents, and finally Antarctica circumpolar current. So here very quickly you can see that we are done with both the North Atlantic Ocean currents as well as South Atlantic Ocean currents. Now let's see if we are able to learn them in very first reading. So I have put up some practice questions. Which of the following is or are warm ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean? So 2 things are there. One, it is asking for the warm current. Second, it is asking only of Atlantic Ocean. Let's see. Labrador, I told you, it is a cold current. Why? Because Labrador, it is very warm, where summer season, so he wants to have some cold beer, chilled beer. So cold current, as you can see over here, if you have forgotten. Right, here, Labrador current, it is a cold current because this Labrador puppy is longing for this chilled beer can, so cold current. And here the question has asked you warm ocean current, so this will be wrong statement, wrong option. Agulhas, have we learnt about Agulhas? No, that means it doesn't belong to Atlantic Ocean, so we will be using elimination method here, so this will be wrong because we have not learned this in Atlantic Ocean. Antilles, yes, this we have learnt. Ant was sitting on a flower, Florida. That means option 3 and 4 is the correct option, right? Coming to the second question, which of the following is or are cold ocean currents? Now it is asking for the cold ocean currents, but it has not specified which ocean. Maybe Atlantic, maybe Pacific, any ocean, right? So we have to pick up only the colder ones. So Benguela, बैंगन की सब्जी Brazil party में थी, so yes, it is a colder one, right? Humboldt we have not learned, so let's leave this for the time being. Canary, beer can, it was chilled, yes, it is a colder current. Norway. The couple was planning to go to Norway. So it is a warm ocean current, if you remember. Ant was spying on them and listening to their story. So this is a warm ocean current. So that means 1 and 3 we are sure, but we have to eliminate this 4 because we know that this is a warm ocean current. So 4, 4, 4. We eliminate all these 3 options. So we are left with option A. That means Humboldt is also a cold ocean current. It is a cold ocean current or cold current of South Pacific Ocean. So 1, 2 and 3 we have reached this answer with the help of elimination method. The trick that we have used here is elimination method. So our answer is A. So I hope this video helped you a lot. Very quickly, within 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, we were able to learn all the major ocean currents of Atlantic Ocean, both north as well as south. So I'll be uploading more videos for more ocean currents of Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, etc. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. You can give your feedbacks in the comment section below. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a good day.